everything around you is matter. Everything around you is matter. If you look around, okay, you see everything around you, whether it's solid, liquid, or gas. If I consider air, for example, air. Now, air exists in gaseous state. Water exists in the form of liquid. Then, if we talk about, say, your chair is made up of plastic. That is solid. Salt, which you take in your food, that exists in the form of in solid state. Now, all these which we talk about here, which we have mentioned here, are matter, right? Matter is the substance which has some mass, it has mass and it occupies some space. ठीक है, हम किसी भी चीज को इर्द गिर्द देख लें, नोटिस करें तो आप देखिए कोई भी चीज है उसका कुछ ना कुछ मैस होगा और वो कुछ ना कुछ स्पेस जो है वो ऑक्यूपाई करेगी. ठीक है, occupies some space. It means that that substance has some volume. ठीक है, when some substance, when any object occupies some space, it means that it has certain volume. तो हर चीज जो आपके इर्द गिर्द है उसका mass भी है, उसका volume भी है. This matter, which is actually everything, it is studied in chemistry. हम ये जो है matter जो है इसको study करते हैं. We study about matter. Study about matter is actually, this subject is chemistry. Okay? Now, how can you relate it with the things around you? Air in which you are breathing. Air consists of many gases. Air has dust particles. Air has oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapors. All these substances in air are matter. ठीक है, और जब इनमें changes आएंगे, जब whenever air is taken in, when you inhale air, you breathe in air, air goes inside and it combines with the hemoglobin of your blood and you get oxygen from it. The food is digested in the presence of that oxygen, you get energy. Now, all the changes which is occurring in air, in matter, that is studied in chemistry. हाँ, कौन सा chemical reaction अंदर होता है जब आप air लेकर जाते हैं, ठीक है, ये भी हम study करेंगे. Then, if we talk about water, water is liquid state at room temperature. अब water को जब आप heat करते हैं तो ये 100 degree Celsius पे steam में change हो जाता है. Water is also matter. हम chemistry में ये देखते हैं कि जब हम water को boil करते हैं तो उसमें क्या change आता है, whether it's a physical change or a chemical change. Then when we talk about like sodium chloride जो salt आप use करते हैं kitchen में. Have you heard about sodium chloride? Do you know what is sodium chloride? Momina? Yes. The salt, yes. And you use it to flavor your food. But your rest of you, please turn on your cameras. Everyone. Thank you. Thank you. So when you add salt to your food, now salt gives a flavor to your food. When salt is added, it reacts with your food. ठीक है, पहले तो वो dissolve होता है. जब salt को आप water में add करते हैं तो वो dissolve होता है. उसकी ions जो है वो water molecules surround कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, विल स्टडी इट इन डिटेल, मॉलिक्यूल्स क्यों मैं वर्ड यूज कर रही हूँ, आयंस क्यों यूज कर रही हूँ, हम सब ये पढ़ेंगे। लेकिन जब सॉल्ट डिसॉल्व होता है और डिसॉल्व होने के बाद जब फूड के साथ उसका केमिकल रिएक्शन होता है, तो वो केमिकल रिएक्शन भी आप केमिस्ट्री में करते हैं। So every change which is occurring around you, every change which is occurring around you to make something or to break something or to carry out a chemical reaction is studied in chemistry. अब आप सोचें कितना important subject है ये, है ना? हमारे इर्द गिर्द कोई भी चीज है, आप इतनी बेशुमार चीजें यूज करते हैं, the pen you are using, the ink in the pen, the clothes you are wearing, the food you are eating, the liquids, the juices you are taking.